So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys some of the best tips I know to make your own custom Lego Mario levels even better. So definitely the first tips I would recommend is pairing the right enemy with the right environment or right type of level that you're going for. So if you're going for a lava level, definitely use some enemies like dry bones or the dry spinies, and don't use like the enemies that I just mentioned in grass levels because they clearly don't fit in. And definitely for an enemy like a cheap or any water type of enemies, put them in water in a water level instead of a lava level because they clearly fit in there more. So definitely something that has been giving me a lot of inspiration, or it has been like fueling some of the creativity that I have like for some of the custom Lego Mario levels, is 2D platformers or some of the Mario and Luigi games, or just any 3D Mario platformer, and you can easily get way more ideas and be more creative about how you're gonna be approaching the level while making it. So for the big tree located in my level, I'm pretty sure I took it from one of the 3D Mario games, and if I definitely wasn't playing any of the games, I just couldn't see myself making these levels because they just have a lot of locations that give off a lot of inspiration. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, definitely like and subscribe. I have a bunch of other videos just like this, so definitely check them out, and I'm gonna be seeing you guys in the next one.